Hello everyone, I'm a director of Millimpack Wilson Wang. And now I want to explain about my material warehouse. This is a craft paper. This paper we import from Canada and American. And then we do the coating here. And for example, this one we buy from George Golden Bridge. And after that, we do the P coating or PLA coating or water-based coating. And this is a craft material. It's eco products. And this one is also for eco. And this one is a white one. We have a craft brown one. We also have a white one for the paper cup or the paper bowl. We have we have 2,000 stock, the average every day. 2,000 tons stock every day. Yeah, this is our this is the paper roll we buy from Stora Enso paper mill company. And all the paper when we the paper roll in our warehouse, and then we will put on the pallets. This we can waterproof to protect the material. Thank you.